Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this pixel explode effect in UE 5.1 Niagara and I will create it from scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So let's start it with the material. I will use M cube. So okay, and in this material definitely we will use cube, so I will preview the cube here and take a texture coordinate. Oops, this okay, it's freezing. Okay, so texture coordinate, and what I can do is you can take the sign first and make this value of sign to the period. So if you preview, you will have a gradient from both sides. Now you can separate that